Good morning, Internet. Well, Sharon went out and got some boxes, empty boxes for our big change in our life that's coming up. We're in a kind of a transition phase, and it should be good. I hope so. Well, looking forward to it. Good morning, Internet. Just loading the car, the van, getting ready to go to the Saturday market. I don't know, that one doesn't look that healthy to me. Well, I'm at the market. I'm all set up. It's getting busy. August long weekend. It's a big weekend in British Columbia. So hopefully we're going to be sold out at the end of the day.
GEOFF-DEVITT. My longtime friend, Fred. And I mean that. I know we don't see each other very often and have deep talks and stuff or whatever, but you've helped me out more than you know. Here's the song I wrote. It's in the works, so I'm just going to give you the lyrics. It's called Karma Caught Up to You. It's my way of saying thank you, Fred, for helping me out a little bit, because I got nobody to help me, and I really appreciate it. It's called Karma Caught Up to You. Why are you judging me against perfection? Are you running for election? Are your skeletons in the closet in need of witness protection? If you can't find what you're looking for, you're probably in the wrong section. Karma caught up to you.
If you want to get nice honey at the market, come see Bob Chisholm at K's Bees Apiary. We've just stopped into Mikey's Pub. It's kind of a sports bar with food, and we're here for lunch. So, what do you want to tell your fans, Sharon?
I want to say hello to my fans, and I want to tell them that we are in the midst of moving somewhere, and it was a really hot day. 100 and something outside. But it's cool in here.
Nice and cool in the pub here.
It is.
I'm having a salmon burger, and it is quite fantastic. Very nice with Caesar salad. Sharon's having a stir fry. And that's a vegetable stir fry on a bed of noodles, it looks like. How is it?
It's delicious. Got prawns in it.
Prawns, oh, with prawns. Yummy, I love prawns. So we're heading out for ice cream. So we've ended up at Perkins, and we're just taking a little ice cream break. Always like to come here because of the flowers. Well, we got a bit more ice cream than we bargained for. Good though. Quite nice temperature. 30 degrees is hot, but not super hot, and a little overcast, so it's not. We're not feeling the sun too much. Really great. Sharon likes the color of these flowers. We're on our way to the lake, but we decided to stop off and have a quick sandwich at Subway, so that we're not sitting in a chair feeling hungry when we get there. Well, I'm in Peachland. Beautiful Peachland. Great long beach along the Okanagan Lake. And lots of people like to come here in the summer and relax and enjoy the Okanagan. Great place in the summer. Lots of people having fun on the waterfront here. I'm next to the marina, because there's a kind of a hot dog and burger place here with ice cream and all kinds of good things. Oh, there's Sharon. She's looking over what they have to offer. So you get some fries. Great place for boating. Raspberry cheesecake ice cream. Very pleasant day in Peachland. Nice temperature, not too hot, not too cold. A little bit overcast so the sun isn't burning you. Right next to the water, where the kids are having a great time, and some of the adults. Boaters. And across from Peachland, there is an island. And this island is reputed to be the home of Ogopogo. So this is, I'm looking at Rattlesnake Island. Rattlesnake Island, the home of the legendary Ogopogo. Well, it's dusk and people are gradually leaving the beach. Sharon is just managing to tear herself away right now. She's been enjoying herself so much. Such a beautiful view here. If you enjoyed my video today, I'd appreciate it if you would comment below. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.